Hello friends, so it is day 7. I have somehow persevered through day 6. Well, I didn't have any physical discomfort on day 6. There was no physical problem, but the numbers were too low and there were I was a little bit doubtful whether I should push through because I didn't want to get myself into unnecessary problems. But anyway, I thought, hey, I feel good, so I'm just going to go with what my body says. So I persevered, and here I am on day 7. In another 3 hours, I will break my fast. It's a wonderful experience. I feel really good. Fasting has immense benefits. As I told yesterday, it is not just the weight loss. The weight loss is minimal and most of it will come back. Most of the weight I lost during my 7-day fast will come back unless I do an extended fast like 20 days or 30 days. Uh, the short fasts do not give you any meaningful weight loss. What it gives you is the hormonal reset, which is even more important than weight loss in long term, because it determines your health. And the mental reset, when I don't fast for a long time, what happens is slowly there is this leak, this slow deflation of purpose. So let's say that I finish a fast and then I start eating, and I don't fast for, of course, every day I eat only once. So every day I fast for 22 hours or 23 hours. But if I don't do extended fast, what happens is I start eating more and more, and then I eat. So I go to visit my nephews and I say, you know what, today is, I may not meet my nephews again for a long time. Let me eat with them outside. I want to enjoy my life, which is all well and good. I don't say that that is wrong. But then what happens is it creeps in. The bad habits start to creep in. I start looking for, I add two dry fruits, even though I don't eat sugar. I add two dry fruits to my almonds when I finish my lunch, or whatever you want to call it, my one meal. I start, I didn't know about the insulinogenic nature of protein, so I started drinking protein because I wanted to build muscle. I started drinking protein last year, and that screwed up my insulin. So when you do all these things over 1 year, just like how we have Vijayadashmi and Durga Puja. During Durga Puja here in Navaratri, we clean our house. When we have that occasion, what we do is we throw away all the old things. Similarly, you have to have something like that for your body also, where you throw away all your old habits, and they will creep in, because you live life, right? Just like how when you go out, even though you've taken a shower and you are clean, when you go out and you come back, you have accumulated some dust and you have to shower again. So it is like that. I can tell you the benefits of fasting, but I think it will be better if you listen to it yourself from the source. So you can look up Dr. Mindy Peltz, MINDYPELTZ. I will also put a link down below for you to see what are all the benefits of fasting. There are immense benefits for your health, for your mental health, for your longevity, for repair of your body, for possibly correcting and intervening in early stages when cells are cancerous. There is nothing but benefits. Okay, I wish I could keep going longer. I'm not tired now. I could actually keep going longer, but the people around me don't want me to go longer, and I have to balance my wishes with the wishes of the people who are around me. And 7 days is good enough in my opinion. It gets you 80% of all the benefits. The other 20% you have to do like 14 days. The other last 5% you have to do 30 days or 60 days or some kind of an extended fast. So like all natural systems, it is an asymptote. Asymptote is a curve that kind of flattens out and never touches the x-axis, right? We have read about that. So yeah, I'm going to finish my fast in 3 hours. I feel really good. I feel peaceful, and I hope that I can sustain the momentum of what momentum I have gathered now from the 7-day fast. I hope I can reap the benefits of that momentum for the next month or 2 months. I hope that I have to be mindful about what I eat. I cannot just go and binge on things that I shouldn't eat and destroy this work that I have done. So let us see how it goes, but I'm hopeful because every time I do a long fast, I always keep that, I shouldn't say I keep that momentum. That momentum carries me through some months. And then of course there is always a little bit of creep, a little bit of bleed, and maybe I will fast again after a few months if I fall into my bad habits. Okay, so thank you for listening to my story, and if you want to know all the benefits of fasting, I will put a link below. You can click on it. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Fasting is wonderful. Okay, bye bye.